Okay, so for speeches, or for 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so questioning is 30 seconds. So you want to make sure that when you ask a question, you want to make sure it's short so that people have enough time to answer. And if you're answering questions, you want to make sure you can answer yes or no if it's a yes or no question, and then get to firing off so then they can ask a follow-up question. But if you really don't know, you can always just stutter around the question. It's not a big deal. If you don't know, if they ask you a direct statistic, you say, Senator, my research has not led me to that. I'm sure you'd like to inform me, or you can go, listen, and don't try to ask a question back, because that's not what you do. And if someone tries to ask a question back, you say, Senator, I'm the one asking the question. And if someone's like taking a long time answering and you really do want to answer, you say, Senator, is there a question in there? So there's lots of different tactics for questions. And the main thing is 30 seconds per person. There's 2 types of questions. There's direct questioning, where you can ask the person as many questions and then you can respond, then you can ask them another question. And then there's indirect questioning. You get one question, they answer, you sit down. But I'm going to do the 30-second practicing. So in this next example down below, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be asking a couple questions, having 30 seconds, and then stopping you so that I will ask a question, then you can mock answer it like you are on my side of the debate, and then I can stop you at 30 seconds by doing 1 tap at 20, 2 claps at 30 seconds, so then you can get kind of a practice with answering questions within a certain amount of time. But you're taking on the role that you're pro my speech, and yeah.